My name is Sipho Masai, Group Chief Executive Rainwater. Ladies and gentlemen, where I am at this point in time, I'm outside Soweto at CMR Mines here in Johannesburg. What you're seeing here in the background is a big pipe burst that has affected quite a number of areas in the West Rand. High pressurized pipe. What we've been doing since yesterday is to close all the 13 valves that are feeding into it. But we have not been successful so far. We're trying to reduce pressure from our Aikenhof pump station so that it drops the pressure in this line. We can't fix it as is now because it's highly pressurized. As soon as the pumping reduces, which unfortunately may affect other areas, we'll be able to attend to it. I assure you that all our contractors are on site, the team is on site, working long and hard to fix this. Please bear with us. We will be able to attend to it in the short possible time, and then you'll be able to get your water shortly. Thank you.